friend Owl.
Excuse me, sir. I hope I'm not intruding, but... well, I just had to come. Poor little fella. So young to be without his mother. Well, if I can be of any help...
Wait. I could use your help. Finding a suitable doe to raise Bambi.
Oh, yes, of course, yes. Food's so scarce, and does can barely feed themselves. Well, perhaps you could...
Me? You know as well as I do, a prince looks after the herd. Does care for the young.
Oh, but you are his father, and circumstances being what they are...
Until spring.
Oh, excellent. After all, who better to raise the young prince than the great prince himself?